Not YouTube. I want y'all to hear my old buddy, the hoot owl. He's right out here at the back door tonight. I want y'all to listen to him. Hell yeah. Trying to be real quiet. I don't want to run him off. He's right here at the back door. Got a big sweet gum tree. Listen to that sound he's making. Sound like a puppy. Good morning, YouTubers. I wanted y'all to take a look at my martins, my purple martins. Not quite enough light out here. Get them zoomed in there with this stand where I can hold it still. Y'all hear them? I love that sound. Something has happened in the last year. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I had one in every house. I got 36 houses. There goes one, look. And they just, 2 years ago, then I didn't have a one. And last year I had two to come back. There they go right there now. I love my martins. Hear them? They sound so pretty. This year I'm trying to figure out how many I got. I know it's 4. Right there in these houses that I got you looking at, there's 4. Sun hasn't got up good yet. You can't see them and it's not focusing in. I don't know why it's doing that. It's probably something I'm missing off of this camera. Is 42 wide optical zoom. Maybe I need some type of filter or guard on it or something, but I sure can't get it to zoom in on something way out there like that. There's one. He just landed on top. It's not really that far out there though. From here, from where we stand into the gorge, it's maybe 45 yards. But I don't know what's happened to him, why I hadn't got all these Gorge ought to be full, and you would just hear fussing. They love to fuss about their nest. I love to hear them. It sounds so pretty. But they flew off for the moment. It's usual when I get something going. Well, let's go listen to the gobbler. I got him gobbling this morning too. Okay, YouTubers. Let's see if we can get this turkey to gobble this morning. I had him gobble 2 or 3 times already. Traffic, that's the problem. He wasn't too far away. Well, heard him a while ago. See if we can gobble to him. There he went. I hope y'all heard it. He gobbled right back to that box. He don't like no gobbler in his territory. Gobbling to the hen box he hadn't but one time. He gobbles to this gobbler. See, there he goes. And then double gobble though. There he went. Gobble to it that time. Come on, dog, go in the house.